Hello there, and thanks for watching this video. Once again, it's been a while since the last one, so I decided to explain why I haven't been active lately. Main reason for my inactivity is that I haven't had any motivation or energy for making videos. I've been dealing with depression for last couple of years and this time it took the lead. No worries, I've taken steps towards and I started doing therapy sessions and I have medication now. So I actually feel a lot better compared to the end of 2019, for example. So, what's new? Well, I changed the sled. No more Indy 800. The new sled is 2015 Polaris Pro RMK with the same mileage as the Indy was. But I just wanted a longer sled. I've also worked on my project car, but with the same excuse I have not recorded any material of it. With this all being said, let's go to the video.